Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first impressions on some Jeffree Star Cosmetics items. I used the blood sugar palette on my eyes and some of the highlighting products as well and got this look right here. I have been dying to play with the blood sugar palette. It's been sitting on my vanity. I'm just like, So I'm super excited that I got to use it today and film this video for you. If you are new to my channel and enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I just did my brows and I put foundation and concealer on. I don't have any powder on yet because I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I almost said Jack Frost. I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and this is in the shade Frostbite. And I typically like to go in with a liquid highlighter with a beauty blender. So I'm gonna put some of this on the back of my hand and go in with my Morphe Beauty Blender. That is disgusting. So I'm gonna put this on my cheekbone. It's like right here, and then go up towards my temple as well. I'm gonna use my finger and just add a little bit more and then blend it in. This is so pretty. Wow. So you could definitely put more of the liquid highlighter on and make it like blinding, but since I'm going to be putting on one of his highlights as well, I want to keep it pretty subtle. This is really, really beautiful. I'm really happy with it. Okay, so just real quick, I'm gonna set my forehead in this area with some powder. I'm gonna put some bronzer on, and then we'll get to the blood sugar palette. Okay, I have powdered and bronze. Now let's get... Here she is. These two shades down here are looking real nice. Okay, I'm gonna start with some transition shades, and I'm gonna do two today because why not? I'm gonna start with Sugarcane, and that's this one right here. And I'm using the Morphe M504 brush, and I'm gonna put Sugarcane all over my lid. And then I'm going to bring it up towards my brow bone. I'm gonna put it pretty high up there. Yep, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm here. Okay, so we have Sugarcane all over the lid and up towards the brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop with the same brush. And this one's gonna focus more on my lid area. I think I'm getting a cold and I'm really not okay with it. Not okay. Okay, Tongue Pop is on. Now I'm gonna go in with these really fun, bright shades. I'm gonna go in with Prick, which is that bottom one right there. And what brush should I use? Gosh, so annoying. Okay, and then using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, this is the JH33, I'm gonna grab Prick and just pack it all over my lid. Oh my gosh. Let me just have a moment of silence for this color right now. It's beautiful. I'm really impressed with the lack of fallout as well because these are so pigmented. But I mean, obviously I'm tapping off excess before I put it on my lid like I do with any shadow, but there's been zero fallout. This color's a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Cherry Soda, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna focus this color more on the outer corner of my eye. And which brush should I use? I'm gonna be using a JH32 brush to put this on the outer corner. It might be too soon to say this, but I don't think it is. I think this palette has changed my life. Go over this and just fan it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with one more shade, just cause. And I'm gonna do Fresh Meat, like a deep purple. I don't know. And I'm gonna use an M513. This was a good choice. I'm living. Okay, with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush JH42, I'm gonna take this white shade, the white shade right here, Glucose, and put it under my brow. Okay, lashes are on. My lash glue is still drying, but I don't have all day, you know? I'm going to coat my natural lashes with the Lash Paradise mascara. I'm gonna put a little bit more bronzer on because I feel like I look really pale right now. Add a little bit more color here. Can we talk about my baby hairs? Like, what? Just act like you don't see them. They're not there. Now for blush, I'm going in with MAC Melba, and I'm using the Morphe M530. Okay, now for highlight, I'm so excited. This is Jeffree Star's 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro Palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I have no idea how to say this. Sarcophagus? Sarcophagus. No idea, don't come for me. Okay, and using the Morphe M510, I'm doing it. I can't, I really can't. This is next level. Jeffree, I've really been sleeping on you. I really have. Whew, okay. Oh, I can't believe this is like already done. So last but not least, I'm gonna go in with a Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. I've already tried a few of his shades already, and I'm obsessed with this formula. I'm obsessed with how it wears most of the day. I will definitely be repurchasing these Velour liquid lipsticks, especially this shade, and this is in the shade Mannequin, and I just don't know where this has been all my life, to be honest. It's like the perfect nude. It's an everyday wear, but also looks great with a bold eye look like today. So I'm absolutely obsessed with the shade. I also have the lip liner as well, and I can't find a pencil sharpener. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be using that today, which I'm really bummed about, but I cannot find a pencil sharpener anywhere in my house. So I'm just gonna go in with the liquid lip. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, that completes this video. I would have to say all in all that I am super impressed with these products. This is without a doubt one of my favorite looks I think I've ever done. This palette is going to be a huge staple in my makeup collection. I am super impressed with the formulas, with the way it blends, with the shades and pigment. The highlighters were absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to try the other shades in the 24 karat palette. I have nothing but good things to say about these products. So thank you guys so much for requesting a first impressions video. I really enjoyed filming this and trying these products for you guys. Feel free to keep commenting your suggestions down below. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm excited for what 2019 has in store. I think it's gonna be a good one. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.